Right, welcome to my how-to guide on how to set the water hardness value on your Maytag IntelliSense or your Whirlpool 6th Sense washing machine. To do so is actually quite easy and doesn't take that long to do. But it works alongside your dosing aid. Right, so what you need to first do is turn to cotton, or just to any cycle, to be honest. Just turn it on. So it's like cotton anyway for this. Hold the plus value and the dosing aid value at the same time for 3 seconds. What we have here is a little line here flashing. This is to indicate that it is set for soft water. What this actually means is that you might take off a bit of a value off your detergent dosing aid that you've already set for. If you're running with hard water, you need more detergent, and therefore you're going to need a greater detergent value for your dosing aid. Again, also if you are running with hard water, you want to consider running with Calgon every now and then to the build-up of limescale in your washing machine. Anyway, back to setting up the water hardness value. This is set to soft water. Press plus. You got medium water now selected. Plus once again, and you got hard water value. Now, in this area, we generally get between soft and medium water depending on the time of year. But for this, I'm going to select hard. Now, I know the value of a heavy soil cotton load with a full load of 160 millilitres that's already set to soft. But what happens if you set hard? Will it change the value? So, you're going to select hard. Once you're happy with the value of your water hardness, select OK. And it returns to the display. So we've got a full load in, we've got heavy soil selected here on the cotton cycle. We'll press dosing aid first, we'll press start, there we are, we've got a value of 230 millilitres, which is 70 more than what is set for soft. If we look on our detergent box here, we've got heavy soil of 185 ml. In fact, for hard water for heavy soils, 220 ml. So it's not actually that far off. Right, so that's changed that value. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful on how to set your own. Remember, if you've already seen the first video, you've been linked to this video. But if you're not sure what this video is for and what the dosing aid is, you can also follow the link at the bottom of this video, around about here, or somewhere along here. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the video helpful.